Okay, my name is Kinvi Kani. I'm from Togo. I'm a full professor in mathematics. I got my PhD more than 20 years ago. My area of research is abstract harmonic analysis. I've already supervised more than 15 PhD students for their thesis. 6 in Ivory Coast, 3 in Togo, 1 in Canada, 1 in Brazzaville, 2 in Ghana, and so on. So I wrote also 2 books. The first book is titled Abstract Harmonic Analysis, which is published in France in 2014. The second is titled Non-Commutative Fourier Analysis, which is published in France also in 2018. And my area of research, what I'm to look is harmonic analysis. So I have more than 14 or 15 papers, which is published in Africa, in India, in France, in America, in Brazil, and so on. For my contribution to the lockdown, I would like to tell you that I was in Canada already in January, where I decided to join Africa for some to honor some commitment with some university in Africa, like University of Togo in Lomé, University Agostino Doto of Luanda, and the Agas University. And after this, in March, I decided when the lockdown started in Ivory Coast, and I can't travel again to join the Canada, I decided to record some courses and put it available to the students of University of Africa. So I recorded three courses. The first course is functional analysis, where I speak about the Banach spaces with topology, the theory of operators bounded or not, and so on. And it's just half functional analysis. The second course I recorded and put it available for the students is titled Abstract Harmonic Analysis, when I speak about the topological group, and the Harmonic, the representation theory, the compass case, abelian case, and so on. And the third course is Lie group and Lie algebra. You know already the many applications you can get in this kind of course. This kind of have many applications in quantum mechanics, in also for the research of virus, like virus of SIDA and so on. So I give this course also. You know that in this course, when you speak about the Lie algebra, you have it's just an algebra. It's just a vector space first of all, which is an algebra, and the third law, which is called a bracket, is very useful in application in medicine and so on, because we can compare the various like the vector field, and it just in this algebra where the product, the inner product, this product is inner when you consider the vector field. So it was very important in this kind of application, like for the research on this kind of domain. And now I'm going to publish 2 other books. The first book will be titled Lie group, also Lie algebra, and some application in physics. And the second book will is Mathematics and Bible. So I got some relationship between the verses of Bible with some properties of mathematics. You'll see. I'll make this available to you.